Good morning, my students of class 3. Today we will learn value education subject. And all are waiting for school, right? Yes? Oh, yes. There is big yes. Everybody is waiting for school, and soon school will be open. We will be get all busy. Our mama will be busy, our papa will be busy, and ourselves also busy. Teachers will be busy. Oh, yes. And regularly when we will go to school, we have to get up early, we have to ready for school early, and when we will be returned to home, we will be get tired. And when we are tired, we are doing some indiscipline because we tired. We remove our shoes and we keep them in the wrong place. We remove our bag and throw it somewhere, and we change our dress. Sometimes we don't change our dress, but sometimes we change our dress and throw our dress somewhere. So these are all indisciplines we are doing, and this is not good for us, because then next time we want that thing, uh, we don't get that at the right place. So today we will be learn how to getting organized, how we organize our things. There is one story of one smart kid, that is our lesson number 7, smart kid getting organized, and we will learn through that story what is the necessary of to be organized. So I am going to read this story, and you will get know how we have to organize ourselves and why. Lesson number 7, Smart Kid Getting Organized. Road ahead. Many times we waste time and energy in finding our own things. This is because we do not keep things at the right place and later waste time looking around for them. If we choose to be organized, our life will be under control. We will save a lot of time. Now listen the story. There is a small boy as like you, and listen you his story today. One day Rehan was late for school. His teacher, Miss Paul, asked him, "Why are you late, Rehan?" Rehan said, "Teacher, I could not find my pen ball this morning. I searched for it for a long time in my house. After 2 hours, at last, I found it on my brother's bed." That was his answer. That day, the teacher accepted his answer. A few days later, Rehan was again late for school. This time, he told a funny story. He said, "Teacher, I could not find my shoes this morning. I searched for them in every corner of the house." "Where did you find your shoes then?" asked Miss Paul. "Teacher, I found one under the bed and the other on top of the cupboard," replied Rehan. Miss Paul asked, "How did the shoes come to be in the wrong place?" "Last night I went out for dinner with my family. We returned late. I kicked my shoes off too hard. One of them dropped under the bed and the other fell on top of the cupboard," Rehan explained to his teacher. The whole class roared into laughter. Rehan was ashamed of his explanation. Miss Paul called Rehan and said, Rehan, this is not a good habit. You should learn to be organized. You must keep your things at proper places before you go to bed. Your bag, your books, shoes, and pen box must all be ready before you sleep. In this way, you will not waste your time searching for them in the morning before coming to school. Rehan and his classmates learned an important lesson on being organized. They understood that if they keep things at the right place, they will not waste time searching for them. It is important to plan and prepare for our day in advance. It saves time and makes the day more fruitful. Now, children, see reflections of this story. If we are organized in life, we will not waste time finding things. We can plan our routines, save time, and do our work a more systematic way. Now this is the lesson, and now we will see some hard words are there. Organize means things or plans arrange in order. जो भी आपकी चीज़ें हैं, आपका जो कुछ सामान है वो आपको ठीक से राइट प्लेस पर रखना है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम आपको उसी प्लेस पर वो सामान मिल सकता है, वो चीज़ मिल सकती है. एक्सप्लेनेशन मीन्स एक्सप्लेनेशन मीन्स रीज़न फॉर एन एक्शन. आपको जो कुछ बताना है, जब आप बताते हैं उसको रीज़न बताते हैं, डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, बताते हैं सब ऐसे हुआ वैसे हो, सब आपका एक्सप्लेनेशन रहता है. फ्रूटफुल मीन्स प्रोड्यूसिंग गुड रिजल्ट्स. व्हेन वी गेट गुड रिजल्ट, दैट इज आवर fruit. So it is fruitful. Systematic means doing things as per a plan. Means as like timetable. When we keep timetable, then we can arrange our subjects right. If school doesn't have timetable, how can we will learn? Can we learn? We will not know when will be Marathi period, when will be Hindi period, and when will be English period, and when will be value period. Can we get know it? If we will not arrange timetable, we will not make plan. So that is a systematic way of learning. Now we will see answer the following questions. Question number 1. Where did Rehan find the paint box? Rehan found the paint box on his brother's bed. Question number 2. Why was Rehan late to school for the second time? Because he could not find his shoes that morning. Number 3. Where did Rehan find his shoes? He found one under the bed and other on the top of a cupboard. Question number 4. How did the shoes each reach the wrong place? When Rehan returned from the dinner last night, he kicked his shoes up too hard. So the shoes reached the wrong place. What was the lesson that teacher taught to Rehan? Teacher taught to Rehan to learn, organize and keep things on their proper places before go to bed to save his time and attend school in time. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Now, this is question number 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. Number 1. If we choose to be organized, our life will be under. There are two words, control and pressure. The answer is control. Number 2. If we keep things at the right place, we will not dash time searching for them. Two options are there, save and waste. And correct answer is waste. W-A-S-T, waste. Number 3, we should plan our dash to save time. There are two words are there given, routine and lunch, and the correct word is routine. The answer is routine, R-O-U-T-I-N-E. Number 4, to be organized. We should work in dash way. To be organized, we should work in dash way. Then which way? Answer is systematic way. And number 5, if Rehan was dash, he would not be late to school. If Rehan was organized, then Rehan will not get late to school. Then there is a know your life skill exercise. Know yourself life skill exercise. How can you be more organized as a student? Here are some ways in which you can be more organized. Put tick against those steps which you already follow. Now this you have to do at homework as a homework because these are your questions, not my questions. You know that what you are doing. So you do yourself that and write real things there. Observe little ants in the garden or near on ant hill. See how organized they are. Do they work in a systematic manner? What else can you learn from them? Now you have to observe that ants and write down that. Okay, you read this lesson loudly 2 times, then listen question answer 2-3 times. Write down that question answers and uh, do your homework also. Then bye. Have a nice day.